Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is a very exciting video because I will be doing a haul for you all, and it's not just an ordinary haul. This is the Sephora Beauty Insider Appreciation event. If you guys don't know about that and you guys are not aware that there is this sale that's happening in Sephora, then you guys are definitely missing out. But listen here, I have all the information and I'm pretty sure you guys will be receiving this in your mail, or if you are a Rouge member then you've already received it in your mail. But yes, I have the information here. This is 20% off for Rouge members, so you get to shop August 24th to September 3rd, 20% off. And then if you are VIB, you get 15% off everything, and insiders get 10% off everything. So if you are Rouge, you should have been shopping already since the 24th of August, and then you get until September 3rd, and then VIB and Beauty Insider members get to shop from the 30th till the 3rd as well. I am of course a Rouge member, so that is why I am shopping and got this haul for you guys. This is like a surprise sale that they sprung on us, and I am definitely here for it. You get to stock up on your favorite products, you get to splurge on new beauty products because there's been tons of products coming out in the makeup world. If you're interested in seeing what I got from Sephora, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I got. I decided to pick up my products in stores because I didn't want to wait too long for my package to arrive. So when I did go to the store, a lot of the products that I wanted was not in stock anymore, so it was disheartening. But nonetheless, I was able to pick up some goodies. So if you guys are interested, then let's just go and jump in, shall we? The very first product that I want to talk about is very exciting because there's been a lot of hype about it and controversy, of course. And it is the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation from Beauty Blender. So it looks like this. This is Beauty Blender's new foundation, and of course I wanted to try it out mainly because of the back. So if you guys can see the back side has a little pump that has the product comes out on, and then you get to put your little Beauty Blender right there. I always put my foundation on the back of my hands, so when they came out with this invention, I thought it was so cool, because now I don't get to use the back of my hands anymore. I get this little tray to put my foundation in. And honestly, even my plan was, even if I run out of this foundation, I will be putting other foundation on top of this because this invention is just totally awesome. A lot of controversy surrounding this product as well because there were really limited shades. There were a lot of light shades, which I feel is really weird. Like, why are you making so many different light shades? I would be so upset if I could not find a shade and I really wanted to try this. I would be so upset. For a brand like this that is so well known and is doing so well in the industry, I feel like they should be expanding their range. So I just don't understand why. And of course, with the foundation, I have to pick up a Beauty Blender. So this is the tiny little blue, well, it's tiny right now, but this is the Sapphire color of the Beauty Blender. When they came out with this, I knew I had to get it because of the color. It's just so cute. I mean, of course, I've already used a Beauty Blender before, so I know how it feels. It's gonna get big once I rinse this under the water, but I felt like I really wanted to get one, so you know, I can. The next one I want to talk about is the Natasha Denona palette. So this is the Camel palette from Natasha Denona, and of course I thought I would never buy this brand ever because of the price point, but since this sale came up, I picked this one up. I think this did retail for like 40 bucks, so it was pretty pricey still, but I heard that they made the size a little bit bigger. Other ones retails for like $25. They are really tiny. This one really caught my eyes. I know there's just like a bunch of brown tones, and these two look so similar, but if you actually see the swatches, this one is actually darker than this one for sure. So yeah, this is the palette from Natasha Denona. I do have it on my eyes and I really do love it. It is super easy to blend. If you guys don't want to buy the big palettes from Natasha Denona, you guys should definitely check out their smaller palettes. Try those out first and see if you like them before you buy the big one, because yeah, I feel like this is definitely a good size to get if you are unsure or you don't have the money to get the big palette, this is definitely a good buy. So I just stocked up on my House of Lashes lash glue. This is one of my favorite lash glue because it just stays on for forever, but of course it is really difficult to take off when I do have it on. So I am wearing it with my lashes right now. My lashes are the Morphe Chummy lashes, which I really love. They're just so long and luscious, you know, just completes my eye look. But yeah, this is one of my favorites lash glue next to my Duo lash glue. They are two really good lash glue if you guys are interested. Next one I got are two eyeliners. So the first eyeliner I want to talk about is the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. They're really nice and sleek from Fenty Beauty, and it has like a nice angled shape, which is pretty interesting. I do have it on my eyes as well. I have the liner on. It is really pointy, as you can see on here. So it's like similar to the Kat Von D one, and it's super black. This is in the shade Cause I'm Black. So that is the shade name, and you can just see how it swatches really dark. It's kind of shiny, so it's not really like a matte black. So if you guys are not interested in this type of finish for an eyeliner, this will definitely not be for you. And this next one is the Marc Jacobs highliner, of course, and this is in the shade Earthquake. So I've been wanting to get a brown eyeliner. These are quite pricey, so that is why I bought it on the sale, because they are pretty pricey. So yeah, I've always wanted like a dark brown eyeliner. I do own plenty of them, and I feel like they're really good, so I definitely had to pick this one up. The next one is a lipstick. So I picked up a Stila lipstick. I don't really own any Stila lipsticks, so I knew I had to pick this one up, and this is in the shade Palermo. It's like a dark berry mauve tone. This is what I have on my lips right now. It's a really beautiful color. It's really comfortable on the lips, so I do need to pick up some more Stila lipstick. Alright, I am almost done, you guys, so bear with me while I continue to go down my list. The next one I have is the Belief Aqua Bomb Mist. You know, I love my setting sprays. I feel like I need a hydrated face. It is pretty small, but it does come in two, so I feel like it's totally worth it. When I saw the bottle at the store, I was like, wow, that is really small compared to the pictures I saw on Sephora's website. But it came in with two, so I feel like that's not bad at all. It does smell exactly like the moisturizer. It does spray on my face, and it's supposed to give me a healthy glow, so I hope that's what it's giving me right now. The next one I have is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. There's so many hype about this powder that I knew I had to get it in the sale. So I love it. I mean, so far I've tried it out, and it looks like this on the inside. It has the H, and there's these openings in there to, you know, for the product to come out. But I feel like it was really messy when I was using it earlier, and I really like it. I mean, I have to try it out some more, of course, but so far I'm really impressed with it. It's just so messy. I'm here for the product. I paid for the product, and Hourglass never fails. So let's try out this one some more and see how it is. Alright, lastly that I picked up is this beauty. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. So I don't know if you guys can even tell, but here is the inside of the palette. Super nice and pretty. Of course, these are some intense color shades for highlighters. So if you guys are not interested in color highlighters like pink, purples, greens, blues, then this palette is not for you. But for you, for those of you that do enjoy these type of shades or these type of highlighter, you guys definitely should pick this one up. This has a bunch of glitter. If you guys are not interested in glitter as well, then this might not be for you, but the glitter is so bomb. This is why I picked up this palette. I do have magic on my face right now. So do you guys like what you see? It's a really nice glittery. So it is like purplish on my cheekbones. So I really like that. Yeah, I'm just a sucker for highlighters, so I knew how to pick it up, and I love Anastasia's highlighters. So I knew I had to pick this one up. Really nice and pretty, and the holographic design is just I just love it so much. So yeah, that is all that I got. One of the products that I was really hoping to get was the Tatcha Silk canvas primer. Everybody's hyping that product up and I really want to get my hands on it, but sadly it was not in stock at my Sephora stores, so I was not able to pick that one up. I really was dying to try that product because there's just so much hype about it. If you guys are interested in any of these products, definitely pick it up as well. The sale is going on, so even if you guys are not Rouge members, you guys do still get 50% or 10% off if you're beauty insiders, so definitely take advantage of those, you beauty lovers. But that is all that I have. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.